Hey guys, today I want to talk about the variables in JavaScript. So the variables is a container for storing some data value. So how to create a variable in JavaScript? So if I create a HTML file and then save to the desktop some name, and if I write this and the title will be the variables, and 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 I want to create a new paragraph in some text. So when open this and open the console, for example, so right click here and inspect, and the console, I want to create a variable. For example, I want a variable with e, and then run. So this e variable is undefined, but uh, when um, when create this e is equal to 2, for example, and run, and the result is the same. But if I create a new variable with b is equal 3, and I want to add this e plus b, and the output is 5 because 2 and 3 is 5. And if I create a new variable with c is equal e plus b, and when this c is equal to 5, if I create this variable, for example, this number 1 is equal to 2, and this variable number 2 is equal to 3, and if I create a new variable with number 3 is equal to number 1 plus add number 2, and then run, and it has error because this will be a number 1 is equal to 2, and when run this, then copy this here, and then write this number 3 is 5. So you can add, you can change this, so the you can write a simple variable name or something else. And if I want to add the v2 number, is here, and here is the result. So thank you for watching.